Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the mouse sensitivity on your Viper V4 Pro. So what you guys want to do first is open up the Razer Synapse. Now go to the Synapse section right here and go to the devices. Make sure that you move your device so it actually is enabled and you can click on it. Now what you guys can do here is you guys want to go to the performance tab, and here you guys can change your sensitivity. So we got the DPI sliders right here, and this controls how fast your cursor moves. Of course, if you move the slider, then it can be faster. As you guys can see, let's switch to the first one. Now I'm not even moving it, and it's going over two of the monitors. Now let me quickly lower it to, let's say, 400, and as you guys can see, now I need to move a little bit more. So that's how it basically works. You guys can customize your sensitivity here. Of course, you got the presets you can choose from. Now you can even select 5000, but this will be already too much. I would recommend using 1600 or 800 because this is the standard DPI. Of course, a lot of people use 600 or 400. It's actually a bit of your preference, what you prefer right here. So you guys can go over and select the one that is up to you. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't leave a like, subscribe. And that's basically it. See you in the next one.